Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, as a total departure from the normal videos, we were coming from the Timmy Market, heading toward Paphos. I'm losing my English. And we're going to pass the workshop. So I said to Marika, Miss Ochen Gracivia Lubooffffff, what about if I just pop up to the workshop and see what's going on? I know it's Sunday, but we're open. Gracivia, do the film.
Hello everybody, hello. You know what I've got? I've got this. Mr. Paul, don't make me to give a bus. Look,
come on, Gracivia.
Look at this.
We're off to the workshop. Flying visit on a Sunday afternoon. Let's go and see what's going on, because we've got places to go and places to see. And unfortunately, I have to earn a living as well. So I'm just going to go and check what's going on in the workshop. So stick with us and you're going to see what Mr. Paul has to do to earn enough money to keep her in
a good mood.
In a good mood. Come on, Gracivia Lubooffffff. Hurry, hurry. Stick with us. The views will be spectacular. Maybe some people will enjoy what Paul has to do. Here she is again.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again. Thanks for watching.
This is Gracivia's latest purchase, which we got in Timmy Market. What do you think?
Is it nice?
I think it's quite nice. It's quite nice. Right, come on, let's go and have a look. Come on, Lubooffffff. We're going in there in a minute. But first of all, we're going in here. Now, what's going on? Let's see who's here. Is he here? Good morning. He's not here. No. Hassan is not here. The manager is not here. But this man, who is the greatest car bodywork man in the world, is. Aflin or Saflin? He's the greatest car bodywork man in the world. Where's Hassan? No. Is Roman here? No, just you. On a Sunday. On a Sunday. I'm going to have a look in here. So, come on, Marika. So, this is one of our projects. And this man is one of our viewers as well. And we're going to strip this pickup down. I was going to show you the number plate, but we've already taken it off. Because this pickup, the man has owned for 22 years. It's never ever let him down. So he's decided to have it completely resprayed. And then when that's been done, we're going to completely do all the interior, all the seats, all the door cards, all the seats, everything. This truck, in about 2 or 3 weeks, will look like a brand new truck. As you can see, it's all in bits. All in total bits. There's an old van for something we were doing something for. Then let's have a quick look what's in the booth. Is there anything in the booth? He's going to put the lights on. Ibrahim is going to put the lights on. Thank you, Ibrahim.
Wow.
Look at this. This is another one.
It's an oven.
Yep.
Where they paint. Lovely. What a nice color. Look at this. Probably we shouldn't touch it.
No, don't touch it.
It's wet.
So, did you paint this one, Ibrahim? Yeah. So, this is our newest style man. He's fantastic. He has done this car from start to finish. All these doors were smashed in. There was little dints all over here. Everything. So he repaired the whole car, filled it, sanded it, primed it, and painted the whole car.
Beautiful. Huh?
Bumba. Bumba, bumba, bumba. So, when are we going to be finished? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. So this one's finished tomorrow. It'll all get put back together, polished and sanded down, polished up. We'll get it back to the customer.
What is this model of the car?
This is an Opel Astra. An Opel Astra.
Opel Astra.
A little Opel Astra. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what it is. And again, this is a customer of ours that bought the car brand new in 2008, uses it as a holiday car. The sun has cooked all the roof and blah, blah. But the beauty about Cyprus is we don't get any rust. Yeah. So the cars, or the bodywork, you say, and all the inner sills are really, really good. So mainly it's just damage and sun damage that we get. Here's a little hire car that's come in. It had a little mishap. And the customer doesn't want to pay these little. He doesn't want to pay these people his €1,200 excess, so he's come to us. Right, here's another car that's getting fixed. This is for a Mr. and Mrs. Fisher up in Paya. Are we finishing this one today?
Yes.
Yeah, bomba. Ibrahim, the greatest man in the world. Right, come on, we've got to go. Thanks, Gracivia. Let's go. We're going to pop next door and have a look at what the mechanics are doing. action-packed video, and then we're off to Paphos. Come on, Gracivia.
I'm coming.
Are you enjoying it, Gracivia?
Come on, yes,
Yeah?
yes.
You're having to see what I have to do to make just enough money
To buy this.
to buy this.
Of course.
And feed you.
Because
Right,
you're a
let's
man.
have a look. We've got a few cars in here. This is the overflow, and this is the car that is very important to me at the moment. This little Honda logo. This is my Honda logo. This is my new baby. Okay? I bought this car off a lady who doesn't mind, a Mrs. Swift, and I paid her 100 euros for this car because the gearbox is slipping. And the car is absolutely immaculate. Except for the gearbox. But luckily, we're mechanics, so we're able to... hold on. Marios the mechanic is calling me. So luckily, we bought a new gearbox. He's over there. We bought a new gearbox. We're going to fit it in there, and then I will have a fantastic little Honda logo. Hold on. Let's go and see Marios the mechanic. What's he up to? We're going to say good morning to him. Come on, Gracivia. Kalimera.
Kalimera.
How's my Honda logo? Good.
Yeah, good.
Good.
Yeah.
So, finished for Tuesday?
Yeah.
Excellent. What are you working on?
Kalimera.
What are you working on?
This for Citroen.
Oh, Citroen. No good. No good. No good. No good. We don't like Citroens. We have to fix them, but we don't like them. So, as you can see, there's a few cars in disrepair, which we acquire and we repair them correctly and we put them back on the road. Some of the cars belong to the mechanics, some of the cars belong to the car body shops, and all combined together, we put them all back together. This is a car that one of the mechanics bought about 6 or 7 months ago now. It had a major accident, but as you can see, it now has not had a major accident. He has spent something like a couple of 100 hours on this car, and to be fair, he has done a fantastic job. It obviously wants a bit of a clean inside, as we can see.
A lot of clean.
But in fairness to the car, it's a nice car. It's an Audi 2T, 2 litre. He wanted an automatic, so that's what he bought. And as you can see, unusually, that the actual interior, once it's all been cleaned up, is very good. What do you think, Gracivia?
Well, yes, it's a very nice car. Normally, it's a very nice car. At the moment being, it needs a little cleaning, as we said before. But after all accidents, how the cars can be recovered in the magic hands of this body shop's man's, amazing, honestly.
Excellent. Now, here's another car that we've acquired. Don't ask me how we acquire them. We don't steal them, but the engine's got something wrong with it, so we've acquired it. At the moment, it doesn't look very nice. Now you can see all the sun damage, but the inside is very nice. So when it's finished, it'll be very nice. But it's going to cost us a couple of €1,000, so we're going to hunt around for various parts like parking sensors, lights. Then it'll get stripped down, taken apart, completely resprayed in black.
Very nice.
Yes, because Marika only likes black Mercedes. Is that correct?
Yeah, black Mercedes. We wish you never had any accidents in the world, with a car or without a car. And we wish you all the happiness in the world and have the nicest car in the world, because you know what? You deserve it. We love you. Bye.
Thank you for watching some more of this madness. That's an insight into what I have to do to try and make a little bit of money. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe and come back for more. Hold on a minute, I've lost my little monkey. She's off. Let's have a look.
Hello everybody. You know, I like the color of this car. I thought it can be drivable, but it's not.
No.
So I'm not going to go anywhere. No. I was going away, running away from Mr. Paul.
One day I'll let her go.
Thanks for watching.
Right, that's it. We've checked on what's going on in my life on a Sunday. Hopefully on a Monday I'll make €50 and I'll be able to buy lunch for Miss Gracivia Lubooffffff. Say goodbye.
Goodbye everybody. Goodbye. Come on, Mr. Paul. We've got things to see.
We have. Let's go. Hey. Bye-bye.
We love you. We love you to bits. please stay with us, and hopefully we will see you, every single of you, one day.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like, click subscribe. Goodbye.